and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Well, hello there. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Wow! Nissin Chow Mein Teriyaki Vegetable Chow Mein Noodles. That's what we got today. Oh yeah, so I gotta tell you the story. Let me get this all put together. Alright, so we need our noodle. Actually, there's the veg and stuff that was in the bottom of the tray. Here is our noodle, which is going in the tray. And then we've got our at the end, and we need room temperature water, a little bit of water, and we do it up to the line, which there it is. Right there. Right? A splash. Okay. And this goes at 1,000 watts for 4.5 minutes, I believe. Microwave on high. 1,000 watts for 5 minutes. And then let it stand for 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Alright. I get it. Holy smokes, folks. I don't want it to explode, and I don't have any paper plates. Well, I got one, but it's in use. So 5 minutes. Yeah, listen to that classy music. Classy. Come on. Yeah. So, today is December 2nd, as usual, on today. And, what happened? Oh, yeah. So it ain't Christmas time for you or nothing, and that's okay, but for us it is. And there was a thing that I was looking for, we were all looking for, but we couldn't find it because it's sold out everywhere. And so Lego, you know, like the toys, they make these advent calendars, and they're pretty neat. We got one last year. It wasn't too expensive, but every day of the month of December up until Christmas, you pop open the thing, and on the underside of the thing it has the instructions, and then you get to build a thing. So like there'll be a Santa one, there'll be one that's a sleigh, maybe a reindeer, maybe a Christmas tree, but it's really cool and it's fun. Well, this time around they come out with them apparently every year, and I guess everybody got the memo about that before we did, and it turns out they are out of them everywhere. And I saw some on eBay and other things going for close to $200. Walmart had them for $20, which would have been great if we would have really known, but next year we'll start looking for them much earlier. But yeah, man, I'm bummed. I was really looking forward to get one, but didn't want the Disney one, didn't want the Marvel one. I'm the only one who kind of likes Star Wars, and so no. And then they've got Lego Friends, which is for girls. I don't know, it's funny. My daughter isn't like, I want that, it's for girls. You know, she's not like that. So, but yeah, kind of a disappointment. But nobody apparently wanted the other ones, because the other ones you could get buy one get one free on them, and they were like $29 at the Fred Meyer. God, we really like that store too. Fred Meyer, they've got really good deals on food, and they got all sorts of different junk there. I like it. I like the place. And all the checkout people are like really, really nice. It's like they hire people that are nice on purpose. I don't know why. They don't really do that at the local Safeway store. They got a couple, but generally there's just this kind of like seething anger from their employees, it seems like to me. They're all irritated. It's like, but why? Is it just us in particular? Is there a reason that we just get bad service wherever we go? Are we that nitpicky? I don't think so. My wife worked in customer service. I've gone places and said, yeah, can you help me find this? Oh, I'm going on my break in a minute, so you'll have to get somebody else to help you. Bye. And then there's nobody else to help. I've gotten that before, and it's just like, okay, sure. Don't mind me, I'm just a customer at the store you work at. That says the customer is a wonderful thing and a gift to every one of us. Yeah, I don't care. You done yet? I bet you're making a mess in the microwave, and that won't end well. Well, for you it's posthumous, but I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season, and I hope that the new year has treated you kindly, and I hope everything hasn't exploded, as it might. Hopefully not. All signs point to exploding things. 1 minute. Okay, you got a 1 minute. Let's look at the Christmas tree. Let's zoom in. What do we got? There's some Hello Kitty stuff. Man, this sounds like on hold music. Oh, what about... That's Bjork. That's a Bjork Christmas ornament. Weird, huh? And then there's Hello Kitty Santa. Can we see any of the Star Trek ones? Maybe up there? There's a whole bunch of them. My wife was saying we need a new tree because it's like we don't have room. Oh, all right. Well, there was your moment of enjoying what our Christmas tree looks like. Whoa, why are we so dark all of a sudden? There we go. I wonder if that was weird. One moment. Well, it didn't spill. But holy mother, that's hot. Ow! Okay, fine. My mom always would say, use 2 hands. I guess I should use the 2 hands. I'll use the arms that are attached to them as well. That is one boiling hot plasticine tray. Good God. Okay, let's peel off the lid, peel back the wonder. This lid does not, it's been giving me fits since I opened it. Yeah, oh, ow, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, and now we're gonna add our, I guess, just teriyaki sauce flavor sauce, because this one's interesting. This is a vegetable flavor one. I'm curious what will be the overwhelming flavor. Maybe it, and one thing's also, it says it's vegetable flavor, but it doesn't say it's vegetarian. I didn't see any vegetable ingredients in the stuff. The logo for this one is green, and green is kind of the international color of vegetarian or vegetable. Big news today, if you're wondering, is that Joseph Robinette Biden just pardoned Hunter Biden. And so there's big shockwaves through the whole political sphere. And honestly, how old's the guy? He's got a kid. He's been granted the power to pardon. He said he wouldn't do it. Come on. Everybody knows if their kid got in trouble and they had the power of the United States and the presidency, they'd pardon their kid unless they did something really, really bad. Say, this isn't bad. You know, I've been really impressed by Nissin's and their competitors' trays of this type, like economy trays. They've all been really quite good. Well, most. Yeah, that's really good. It is a complete food thing. What are they? I could see like eating that straight, not adding anything, and quite enjoying that as a luncheon item. Okay, I want this to be centered. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but here is our come on. That's not centered, is it? Not in the slightest. So we're gonna have to go like that. And I know, somebody's gonna like cry foul. I don't mind. But you know what that needs? What are we listening to now? We need an egg, and for some reason the center of oh, you know what? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, the center kind of gooshed. A little bit of a goosh-tacular there. It'd be nice if it would just like drizzle off the side. I think that would add a nice effect. Maybe. Maybe not. Whoa, and you're slipping up. God. So what am I going to do now? I am going to add some things. It's got a decent amount of veg with it, and it tastes good. Those are things I like in a food. We're good with that. A little bit of sesame. Let's add something else first. I'll use a little bit of that. Highly recommend researching, trying, and enjoying chili crisp. This one is really quite good. It's got a nice garlic taste to it. Yes, sir. Now I'll add the sesame seed. And there you go. I'm going to change the song because this is really kind of disjointed. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that came out of the National Noodle Day box that Nissin sent. Gosh. For you, it'll be last year. When was that? Beginning of November? Late October? I can't remember, but it was like a huge box with one of every single variety of all the products that Nissin Foods USA makes. That was pretty neat, and this is good stuff. I recommend it if you can find it. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if it's vegetarian, but if you look down the ingredients, it doesn't look like it's got any meat in it. So, yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, do anything you want. I don't care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.